I'm Alina Z with onjuice.com, and today we're making gluten-free and dairy-free macaroni and cheese. And I want to share with you my tips and tricks to making a great dish without sacrificing flavor. So the first thing is what kind of pasta to use. I prefer a quinoa pasta. I find that the brown rice has a different texture, and if you're looking to imitate traditional wheat pasta, try the quinoa one. And then as far as the cheese, I'm not a big fan of the soy cheese, so I look for the type of cheese that doesn't have any soy or casein or any dairy. So I just made the macaroni. I cooked it on the stove just like the directions say, and we are going to create the sauce, the most important thing, the cheese sauce. I have about 1.5 cups of the cheese, and I'm going to put it here in the pan. I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. I'm going to put 1/2 cup of unsweetened dairy-free almond milk, and then the kick to this, the secret recipe ingredient, is liquid smoke. And you know, a lot of people like the macaroni and cheese when it has bacon. Now we're doing vegetarian macaroni and cheese, so we're going to add a little bit of that liquid smoke to give it the flavor. So we melted the cheese and now it's nice and gooey, and we're going to add our hot pasta. You can probably see the steam everywhere. Oh, it's so good. And you can feel free to add any herbs, or if you want to put some cooked broccoli or cooked cauliflower, that's great too. We're going to put our macaroni and cheese in a blue plate to make it nice and pretty. And there you have it, a healthier, gluten-free and dairy-free macaroni and cheese. Remember to eat fabulous food so you feel fabulous.